Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add shadow in Photopea. So first, you will have to make sure that you have the layer that you would want the shadow selected. And then what you will have to do is basically just select the layer, and then you will open the layer and then layer style. And then you will check the drop shadow, which is right here. And then you will set the blend mode to multiply or to normal. It really depends on you. And then you will pick a shadow color. It is usually black with lower opacity. And then you will increase the distance, which is right here, to offset the shadow. And then you will adjust the spread to control the hardness, and then you will increase the size to soften the edge. And then for more realistic shadows, you can also create a new layer beneath the subject. Paint a soft black shape with a brush tool at low opacity. Then you will use the filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur, so that you will be able to soften it. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.